If you want to enable Hold Assist on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just go to the Settings app, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just make sure that the software of your iPhone is on iOS 26, because this feature only works on iOS 26 or later. After that, just go to your home screen and open the Contacts app or the Phone app. Now from here, just call someone. After they pick up your phone call, then tap on More, and from here you will find the feature of Hold Assist. Now after you do that, you will enable Hold Assist on your iPhone. Now if you want your iPhone to automatically enable Hold Assist, then go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Phone app, then tap on it. Now under the phone settings, you will find a feature called Hold Assist Detection. Now if you want your iPhone to automatically detect when you are placed on hold, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this feature, your iPhone will automatically detect when you are placed on hold, and it will automatically enable Hold Assist. Now if you cannot find Hold Assist under the phone settings, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General Settings, you will find the section of Language and Region. Tap on Region. Now from here, just set the region to United States, because this feature currently works on few regions. So just select United States and you will find the Hold Assist Detect feature under the phone settings. And this is it. And this is how you can enable Hold Assist on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.